key for blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is shukr. That is why sabr and shukr, they go hand in hand. So as we remain patient, we also must be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Our state is that if somebody asks us, how's it going? We say, not bad. Default response is not bad. Could be better. Bas, theek hai. And this is the person who has everything going for him. Everything going for him, and his response comes, not bad. The response should have been, I cannot be more thankful to Allah. For me doing nothing in return, I'm getting so much. Literally, yeah. Pakistan mein, imagine. Everything has, just recently in Pakistan, and you speak to people that everything has doubled up. 1 kg of onion, 1 kilo प्याज, 250 रुपए का. वैसे वो कहते हैं $1 ले लो या 1 किलो प्याज ले लो. It's the same thing. Same प्याज 16 रुपए का होता था 1 kg. And the daily wages haven't gone up. The salaries haven't gone up. But everything is mounting up. It is becoming difficult. And that's why I keep on telling my children that you need to start being thankful. वो टाइम गया that we start cribbing about छोटी छोटी चीजें. अब तो एक एक लम्हे पे अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करने की जरूरत है. जो नेमतों को बरकरार रखती है चीज, वो शुक्र है. So शुक्र is, we need to be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in everything.